I'm Jennifer Homans, and I'm a historian in the history department, and I am also the founder and director of the Center for Ballet and the Arts. You know, I began my life as a professional dancer. I was classically trained, although I danced many different kinds of styles. And I did that for, until my late 20s. And after that, I decided that I would go back to school. I did a BA, and then I did a PhD in modern European history here at NYU. And I never left. So I thought that I would never be able to marry these two parts of my life, the dance part and the scholarly part. But I found when I started to do scholarship that in fact there were lots and lots of things that were in common. And those had to do with the sort of commitment to a pursuit, to a certain project. For example, when I recently finished a book that's a cultural history and biography of George Balanchine, the choreographer. And doing that required the same kind of endurance, discipline, commitment that anything I did in dance required. The center is an international research center for the performing arts, but it's focused on dance. And the idea behind it is to bring together artists and scholars. And ballet is kind of at our core because I think it's a very important technique and a legacy from the Western civilization, but we have branched way out and we really do a lot of different kinds of dance. And so the idea with the center was to sort of put dance right in the middle of the arts and sciences, which is why we're a Provostial Center. We're not a place where people train to become dancers. We're place where people study dance and make dance. We can be the place where everyone gathers, and people aren't necessarily going to be dance historians, but they're going to work on dance now for this project. And then they take it back to their department or to their school, and dance seeps in. It's seeping into the university. I mean, how to engage with the center? Come. And I mean come in lots of ways. Come to our public events. We see them as our way of bringing together people in conversation. Our events always have two things. One is dance, and the other is some kind of a talk, scholarly aspect. And we're very interested in collaborating, in welcoming people into the center. So we're always looking for the next connection into the university. So please come, and if you have an idea and a thought, bring it to us.